Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review the AI Advantage Summit. The AI Advantage Summit is a free online event focused on helping entrepreneurs, creators, and business owners learn how to use AI tools to save time, automate tasks, and grow their income. It features well-known speakers who teach practical strategies instead of technical coding. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, it is free to attend and offers useful lessons on AI productivity and business workflows. You also get practical strategies that you can apply immediately for content creation, automation, and marketing. It is motivational and beginner-friendly, helping people understand AI without feeling overwhelmed. On the downside, there are heavy sales pitches for paid programs during and after the event. It is not highly technical, focusing more on mindset and strategy instead of deep tool training. The value also depends on your expectations, especially if you are looking for advanced AI skills. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.